Finchum with Auburn Main Street, and today I'm with Stephanie Hamilton, the owner of Hamilton Law. And Stephanie, how long have you been here in downtown Auburn, Indiana?
Hi, Anne. It's nice to see you
Nice to see you.
I've been here for 9 years.
9
I've
years.
been practicing law for 9 years here on 9th Street in this building.
But it hasn't always been Hamilton Law.
It hasn't. We were Squiller and Hamilton for a number of years before my business partner, my law partner, became judge of DeKalb Superior Court. So now I'm here with, I have an associate, John Hacker. We practice together, and he's been with us 5 years, I think.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
So what do you primarily focus on?
My law practice is mostly family law. I do a lot of divorce, custody, parenting time, those kind of things.
So when you talk about law and what you focus on, what are you passionate about when we talk about law and what in your services you provide?
So one of the things that I'm really passionate about in the context of my legal career is problem-solving courts. We just started some drug courts here in DeKalb a few years ago, and then there's a new one here this year operated by Judge Squiller. I first became practicing in the problem-solving courts actually in LaGrange. They have a problem-solving court over there. And then when Judge Grimm started a couple of them here, I became a part of the problem-solving courts here, and they're changing lives.
That's wonderful. So take me through that. That we're talking about in the instance of for children, we're talking about a resolution where it's impactful to that child's life, that it's a resolution where it's going to be impactful to that child.
Yes, absolutely. The Family Restoration Court that is over here in DeKalb Circuit Court, it combines children in need of services, which are the child abuse and neglect cases, that's what they call them, children in need of services, with criminal cases that parents might have. And the goal of the Family Restoration Court is to reunify families. So maybe the Department of Child Services has taken away children. We want to get the children back in the home sooner with a bunch of services like to treat their addiction, to help with poverty and things like that. It's a wraparound service that really puts families back together. So
Keeping the family unit together.
Yes, absolutely.
If they can. Mm-hmm. It's amazing. There's other services that you had mentioned before when we were in conversation. There's veteran services and other that actually have a similar type outcome. That
yes,
they're
so the
trying
other problem-solving courts that Judge Grimm has is the Veterans Court, which helps with veterans who have addictions. And then Judge Squiller started a new addictions treatment court that helps all people can qualify if they have a criminal case involving drugs, that they can get addiction treatment and counseling and get their lives back together.
That's wonderful. Well, it's very needed. So that's wonderful to hear. There's other solutions to some of these problems.
Yes, there are. Unfortunately, we'd love to service more people, more clients, and help more people.
That's good.
In those courts.
So Stephanie, if someone needed your services, how would they reach out to you and contact you?
Well, they can call us. Our number is 260-333-0483.
Okay.
We have a website, hamiltonlawllc.com. We have a Facebook page of the same name, so we answer messages pretty quickly. So
great.
We're always available. We have a message service if it's after hours.
So tell me, what is unique about practicing law here in Auburn?
Well, and one of the things that's really unique is that we have a very active bar association. So I've been president of the Bar Association starting in January of 2021. We have 2-year terms, and we're pretty active in the community doing social events and participating in Law Day, which is when we go into the local high schools, seniors, and talk about the law and how to become an attorney, and just getting kids excited about the legal field. So that's pretty fun. We have meetings here, and we participate all together, which is a little unusual in these outlying counties. There's not a whole lot of strong bar associations, so that's really fun. One of the other things that's unique here is I'm the only female attorney in private practice in Auburn. So that's kind of fun. I became the only one after Phyllis Poff, who's a fantastic female lawyer, trailblazer actually in the field. She retired a couple of years ago. So.
Well, really appreciate you taking the time today and meet with us and talk about some of the services you offer here in Auburn, Indiana, and to this area. Really appreciate it.
Well, thank you for coming.